Welcome to this CommunicatorGO training session. In this video, we'll explore how to use the Meetings feature in online self-care, also known as OSC. The Meetings feature allows you to create, edit, and manage meetings, view upcoming and past events, add participants, and set reminders. Whether you're scheduling a single call or setting up a recurring team meeting, this tool helps you stay organized and on track. Section 1. Creating a meeting using the desktop app. You can create a meeting in two ways, directly from the CommunicatorGO desktop app or through your online self-care portal. We'll first look at how to do this using your desktop app. To start a meeting from the app, click the meeting icon. This gives you the option to start an instant meeting or join a meeting using a predefined meeting number. When starting an instant meeting, you can drag and drop participants from your contact list into the Drop Contacts Here field. If you check the public box, anyone with the meeting information will be able to join. They will still need to enter their name and email before joining. When you are ready, click Start to begin the meeting. If you want to schedule a meeting for later, click the Schedule or Calendar icon at the top of the meeting module. This opens a window where you can set the subject, date, time, and duration. Meetings must last at least 10 minutes and no more than 2 hours. You can also add a description, select participants, assign co-organizers, and decide whether to make the meeting public. On the right side of the window, you'll see your list of internal contacts. Select the radio button next to a name to add that person as a participant. To add someone outside your organization, switch to the email option at the top of the participant list, then enter their information. When everything is set, click Schedule to finalize the meeting. To join a meeting, click the meeting list icon in the meeting module. This displays all your scheduled meetings, along with details and the option to join directly from the app. From here, you can also review past meetings and, if available, view recordings. If you'd like to add a scheduled meeting to your own calendar software, such as Outlook or Google Calendar, click the Calendar URL button in the top right and copy the link. Section 2. Creating a meeting using the Online Self-Care OSC portal. The Online Self-Care portal, or OSC, gives you more control over creating and scheduling meetings than the desktop application. To access, open the desktop app, click the three-dot menu, and select Online Self-Care. The system will first take you to the My Details page, where you'll see your login credentials. To create a meeting, click the three-dot menu on the right side of OSC and select Meetings from the drop-down. Here, you'll find 3 tabs. The Scheduled tab displays all upcoming meetings. Each entry shows the meeting number, name, date, and time. From here, you can view details, update a meeting, or delete it. When updating or deleting recurring meetings, the system will ask if you want to apply the change to just this one instance or to all instances in the series. The Recent tab lists meetings that have already taken place. You can review details, delete past meetings, and the Date Range tab lets you filter meetings between specific start and end dates. Once you set your filter, you can search and view the results sorted by time. Each tab also includes a Create Meeting button, which allows you to schedule a new meeting. When creating a meeting, start by giving it a short, descriptive name. You can also add a description to include details like the agenda. Then enter the date and time, select the correct time zone, choose the organizer, set the duration, and decide whether the meeting will be public. Section 3. Recurrence Options. If this is a repeating meeting, you can set a recurrence. The system offers daily, weekly, or monthly recurrence patterns. Daily recurrence allows you to repeat a meeting every 1 to 90 days. You can also set when the recurrence ends, either on a specific date or after a certain number of meetings. Weekly recurrence lets you repeat every 1 to 12 weeks, and you can choose which days of the week the meeting should occur. Monthly recurrence can be set by date, such as the 20th of every month, or by weekday, such as the second Monday each month. Like daily and weekly options, you can stop the recurrence on a date, after a number of occurrences, or leave it open-ended. Section 4. Adding and managing participants. Once the meeting details are saved, you can manage participants. The Manage Participants option becomes available after all required fields are complete. To add participants, select an extension from the drop-down menu and click the plus icon. The participant list will update, and a confirmation message will appear. If you try to add the same person twice, the system will notify you that they are already added. To remove someone, click the delete icon next to their name. Keep in mind that the meeting organizer cannot be removed. Section 5. meeting details and features. Clicking on a meeting number, meeting name, or the info button will open the meeting details page. This gives you a full overview of the meeting setup, including the name, description, organizer, time, duration, and participants. You'll also see the meeting status such as not started, in progress, or ended. If the meeting is part of a recurring series, you'll see a button to view the base meeting. This lets you see the original setup of the series without any changes applied to individual instances. You can edit a meeting by clicking the Edit button. If it is a recurring meeting, you can edit an individual instance or update all instances. This allows you to change the name, description, date, and time, and the recurrence. You can also manage your participant list. For recurring meetings, adding participants to a single instance creates what's called an exception, which means changes to the base meeting no longer apply to that one. The CommunicatorGO desktop app also allows you to configure reminders for your meetings. To do this, open the Meeting Features page. You can use custom settings to receive daily email reminders. You'll be able to choose the days of the week, select a time of day, and set whether or not you want reminders at all. If you don't set custom preferences, the system defaults will apply. By default, reminders are sent daily at 8 a.m. in your time zone. Section 6. Best Practices. Before wrapping up this video, here are a few best practices to keep in mind when using the Meetings feature in OSC. Always double-check the meeting time zone and duration to make sure participants join at the right time. Use descriptive meeting names so it's clear what the meeting is about. If you set recurrence, make sure you also review the end options so meetings don't continue longer than needed. Keep your participant list up to date and remember that the organizer cannot be removed. Enable daily reminders so you never miss an upcoming meeting. This concludes our training on meetings in online self-care for the CommunicatorGO desktop application. You've learned how to create, edit, and manage meetings, how to set recurrence, add participants, and configure reminders. With these tools, you'll be able to manage your schedule and keep your meetings organized with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!